Hi guys, this is Miss Edwards. I've had a couple people ask me some questions about their wiki project, so I just want to show you a few options you have when you're putting your wiki project together. So here I am on my haiku, and I'm going to work on my sample that I started in class. And the first thing we need to do is add a content block if we want to embed anything. So right now I'm going to show you how you can add an image. But you have all of these options. So let's go through an image first. If I want to add an image, I just click image. I want to make a title. So let's say it's greenhouse effect. And here I have options for how it's displayed. If you want your image big, use this option on the right-hand side. If you don't care, these two options, they'll come up small, but then you can kind of scroll through them like a slideshow. I want my image big. And I want it at the top of column 1. And then you need to choose a file from your computer. So you need to have it saved somewhere already. So let's say I just am using this saved image. And now I can see that it's here, but I still have to click upload. I can see it working. And depending on the size of your image, it should work pretty fast. You really don't need a description, but you can add one if you want to. And the same thing down here, you can preview your file, your picture, but you don't have to add a caption if you don't want to. And then you finish. And your image should come up right away in your Haiku Wiki project. The other question I had was how to add an image in a text block. So let's go back into this greenhouse gases text block I already started. So I'm going to edit. And what you guys may see on your iPad is this shortened version of the toolbar. If you just see these options, click the button that says More, and then you'll have access to this button here that says Image, okay? Or looks like an image. So click that. And now you have options. You can either go about it the same way, downloading it from your computer, or clicking a link from the internet. So if you have a link from the internet, this is also pretty easy. So I'm going to show you, I'm going to tab over to a different page that I had. So I had previously found this web page from Live Science. I read the article and I said, you know what, this image is pretty cool. I want to use this image. So the way to use just the image and not link to the whole page is you right click, and you should have these options come up. Open the image in a new tab. It's the first one. And you can see, I'm going to tab over again, the page that pops up should just be the image. This is the URL you want to use of just the image. So I'm going to copy this, and then I'm going to tab back to Haiku. Here it is, and then I'm going to paste, that's what I'm going to paste in my link. Click Next, and you get a preview of your image to make sure it's the right one and it did it okay. And again, you don't have to have the caption stuff, but you can if you want to. And then you click OK. And now I have this greenhouse effect image in my text block, which is pretty cool. Okay, and remember to click Save. Always click Save. So now I have this really cool image in my text block, and I have an image in my, as it's a standalone block. And this is the same way that you would add YouTube video. If you want to add a YouTube video, okay, you have to have the YouTube link ready to go. So if I'm clicking, here's my image, let's do a quick YouTube search, YouTube, climate change, greenhouse gas, okay, and let's say, here's the one I want to use, okay, when you have this link, notice up here at the top, here's the full YouTube link that I'm highlighting. That's what you copy, and then when you go back to your Haiku, that's what you paste. Okay, so that's, and you want to make sure all these letters and numbers are back here. And that's how you embed a YouTube video. Same thing, think of a good title, explaining what it is, at least have that. You can preview it down here to make sure it's the right one. And then you're going to save it. And there you go. It should be in there, and you can test it to make sure it works, which it should. So yeah, have fun with your wiki projects.